Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use breathing as well as a band to decrease your potential of getting hurt deadlifting. Using a CLX band is a great way to engage the latch as well as learning to control diaphragmatic breathing while going into a hip hinging pattern. This is how I set my position: find one way, find the other way, and lock it down. Set in the pillar, drive the lats, go into a hip hinge, and breathe at the bottom. Breathing and being under control through this pattern is extremely critical if we were to have bracing as well as high intra-abdominal pressure throughout the entire hinge. Here's what it looks like from the backside. Note the lats as well as the lateral rib cage expanding as I breathe and not losing posture in inhale or exhale.